Question number 61. It is a bacterial disease of respiratory system. A. Pneumonia. B. Asthma. C. Bronchitis. D. Common cold. Correct answer is A. Pneumonia. It is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. It is inflammation of alveoli of lungs. Question number 62. In a normal man, to help the transport of O2 and CO2 properly, the blood is A. Slightly alkaline, B. Slightly acidic, C. Strongly alkaline, B. Strongly acidic. pH of blood is 7.4. So correct answer is A. Slightly alkaline. Question number 63. Mitral valve in mammal guards the opening between A. Stomach and intestine, B. Pulmonary vein and left auricle, C. Right auricle and right ventricle, and D. Left auricle and left ventricle. Correct answer is D. Left auricle and left ventricle. Question number 64. Which organ is considered as graveyard of RBC, where most of them are destroyed by macrophages? A. Red bone marrow, B. Spleen, C. Kidney, or D. Intestine. Correct answer is B. Spleen. Spleen is a largest secondary lymphoid organ. Here old RBCs plus pathogens are destroyed by phagocytes. So the correct answer is B. Spleen. Question number 65. The narrowest and most numerous tubes of the lungs are termed as A. Hilum, B. Bronchus, C. Alveoli, and D. Bronchioles. Correct answer is bronchioles. Question number 66. pH of blood in artery and vein is A. Same, B. More in artery, less in vein, C. More in vein and less in artery, and not different. pH is mainly determined by concentration of CO2, because CO2 combines with water in presence of enzyme carbonic anhydrase form H2CO3, or due to presence of H2CO3 pH decreases. So pH is more in artery as CO2 concentration is less, and less in vein as CO2 concentration is more. So the correct answer is B. Question number 67. Blood analysis of a patient reveals an unusual high quantity of carboxyhemoglobin content. Carboxyhemoglobin content. Carboxyhemoglobin is formed by combination of carbon monoxide with hemoglobin. It is an irreversible process. Which of the following conclusion is most likely to be correct? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Carbon disulfide, or D. Chloroform. So the correct answer is B. Carbon monoxide. Question number 68. Vanadium containing blood pigment is noticed among animal living in polluted water, man returning from moon, C. Ascidian, D. Echinodon. So the correct answer is C. Ascidians, or they're also referred as tunicates. Question number 69. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Two separate circulatory pathways. That is double circulation, and double circulation is present in birds and mammals. So option A, whale, it is a mammal, it is a correct answer. B, shark, it is a fish, it is a frog. C, frog, amphibian, it is also wrong. D, lizard, it is a reptile, it is also wrong. So the correct answer is A, whale. Question number 70. Oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin is A, sigmoid, B, hyperbolic, C, linear, D, hyperbolic. Answer is A, sigmoid. It is an experimental curve. Correct answer is A, sigmoid. Question number 71. The typical lub-dub sound heard in a heartbeat of a healthy person are due to heart sounds, are due to closure of valves. lub is due to closure of AV walls या cuspid walls, and dub is due to closure of semilunar walls. So the correct answer is C, closing of tricuspid and semilunar walls. Question number 72. To prevent coagulation, blood stored in blood bank contains a small amount of A. calcium sulfate, B. prothrombin, C. potassium or sodium citrate, D. none of these. Correct answer is C. potassium or sodium citrate. It acts as an anticoagulant by removal of calcium ions from blood plasma. Natural anticoagulant is heparin. Question number 73. Listed below are the 4 respiratory capacities and 4 jumbled respiratory volumes of a normal human adult. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the 2 capacities in the volume? First, residual volume. Normal residual volume is 1200 ml. Second, vital capacity. Normal vital capacity is 4500 ml. Third, inspiratory reserve volume. Normal inspiratory reserve volume is 2500 ml. Fourth, inspiratory capacity. Normal inspiratory capacity is 3500 ml. So options: option A, vital capacity 2500 ml, it is false. Option B, inspiratory reserve volume 1200 ml, that is also wrong. Option C, inspiratory capacity 3500 ml and residual volume 1200 ml, this is correct. And option D, inspiratory capacity 4500 ml, this is also false. So the correct answer is C. Question number 74. Ascent of high mountains may cause altitude sickness in men. Primary cause for this is due to high altitude, partial pressure of gas decreases, PO2 decreases, leading to hypoxia. Option number A, excess of CO2 in blood, that is wrong. B, decreased efficiency of hemoglobin. Efficiency of what? Hemoglobin not changes. C. Decreased partial pressure of oxygen. That is correct. And D. Decreased proportion of oxygen in air. Composition of air is everywhere same. So it is also wrong. Correct answer is C. Question number 75. Because of blank layer of epithelial cells in stomach of chordates is not damaged. A. Mucus secretion. B. Acidic secretion. C. Dilute HCl. Or D. Renin secretion. Correct answer is A. Mucus secretion. Thick layer of mucus prevents damage to epithelial layer of stomach of chordates. The correct answer is A. Mucus secretion.